We're about to flame. I'm hungry, people. We're gonna flame tonight. Diner. Father, in the name of Jesus, I thank you for this meal. Don't take anything for granted. Thank you for every blessing. Thank you for every lesson. You're so faithful, so kind.
Let's go across the street. Let's go across the street. You know, bro. Let's go across the street. Bro, let's go across the street.